kasi 4 lang ang iyong fingers. Yes. Hindi po 5 ang iyong fingers katulad ng kabilang stone. Joke. Okay, and for your first birthday wish to our birthday celebrant this Tuesday, still grow up. Okay, go. Again. Your first birthday wish to our birthday celebrant is to grow up. Wow, prayerful and hallelujah. Ay, God-fearing na nanginginig-ginig ka ba? Si Jollibee. Di ako na-inform, yung birthday mo pala is charade edition. Okay, for your second birthday wish, our birthday celebrant is to grow up. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Sexy. Ano yun? Ano yan? Yes. Flawless. Mana kanino? Ay! Kay Mami! Totoo po bang? Beautiful, sexy, and flawless. Si Mami! Napilit ko po. Kasi pag hindi ko siya napilit, baka sila po yung pagbayarin niyo ng bills. Again, for your third birthday wish. Oh. For your third birthday wish, for our birthday celebrant is to grow up, Jollibee. For your third birthday wish, for our birthday celebrant is to grow up, 2 joints. Ano ba? Di ba 2 joints? Ay, okay. Gets ko na. Di kasi pwede maging gano'n, tingnan mo. Ganun ka, o, diba? Wala na isang daliri. Wala ka hintuturok. Okay, to become rich and mapagbigay to everyone. Meron pa. Kay si Mami, si Daddy, mapagbigay sa'yo.
Best place to find it.
Alright, ano naman si Jollibee? Meron pang isa for Luis po is to grow up, hindi kakain sa kabilang store. Alright, and for your last birthday wish, for our birthday celebrant is to grow up. Always be happy like our best friend, Jollibee! Okay, so this time, gusto niyo po bang magpakitang gilas sa ating best friend na si Jollibee? Hindi po magsisimula ang ating best friend si Jollibee na walang nagpapalakpakan. Hindi po magsisimula si Jollibee na walang naghihiyawan. Pwede po ba tayo pumalakpak habang sumisigaw for Jollibee?